good is sitting alone in your room? Come hear the music play. Life is a cabaret, oh chum. Come to the cabaret. Put down the knitting, the book, and the broom. Time for a holiday. Life is a cabaret, oh chum. Come to the cabaret. Come taste the wine. Come hear the band. Come blow the horn. Start celebrating. Right this way, your table's waiting. No use permitting some prophet of doom to wipe every smile away. Life is a cabaret, oh chum. Come to the cabaret. Start by admitting from cradle to tomb. It isn't that long a stay. Life is a cabaret, oh chum. Life is a cabaret, oh chum. Life is a cabaret, oh chum. Come to the cabaret.
Hey everybody, I just have some footnotes for you for the song Cabaret. We changed the initial chords in the song, the first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 measures to all C's instead of C, G7. We just thought it worked a little bit better for the arrangement. The second note I have for you is that when you go to the fourth verse, we're going to be in slow time or half time until measure 7, which is the word stay, and then we'll go back to the fast tempo that we're at. All right, and the last thing before you go to the coda at the end is that we are going to triple tag Life is a Cabaret, old chum, and that's going to happen a total of 3 times. On the third time, you will take the coda to the end, and that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoy playing this with the track.